Whenever you're working with a Microsoft Word file, there are three huge reasons to always open the file in the desktop app rather than trying to work in Word Online. I'm going to show you how to open a desktop app, and then we'll go over those three reasons. All right, so I'm in Word Online right here. Open it in the desktop app. All you need to do is click on this button right up here at the top. It's going to ask you to verify. Do you really want to open it in Word? And yes, that's what I want to do. All right, that's why I clicked on that button in the first place. Okay, now here's the desktop version. It virtually looks the same, but notice up here at the top, there's a draw toolbar. Really handy tool right here. If you're going to plot points on a graph or draw lines on a map or draw anything in your file, this is how you're going to do it. Word Online. There is no draw toolbar. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, formatting. Notice in the desktop version, we'll go down to this diagram right here. You got a diagram of the Earth and the Moon and the phases of the Moon. And then right here on the very same page, you have pictures that you want to click and drag into the correct positions. All right, it's all right there the way the person who created the file designed it to be. Word Online, that formatting, it's all muckled up. All right, there's the phases of the moon diagram, and then, whoa, where are those other pictures? Oh, there they are. They're way down here, and they're all far apart, and they don't look anything like the way the designer of the file meant them to. All right, so there are some formatting issues with Word Online. The other thing about the desktop version that's so much better, and this might be the best one, the desktop version is so much easier to use. These pictures, for example, are designed to just be clicked and dragged wherever you need to put them. All right, boom, boom. Easy peasy. In Word Online, it's not that easy. The formatting is different. I can't click and drag this picture where I want it to go. I can click on it, I can try to drag it, but it does not want to. Do you see that? That one moved. I wasn't even trying to move that one. What's going on here? All right, so look, three reasons you always want to use the desktop app version of Microsoft Word. It's got the upgraded toolbar. Formatting issues are not a problem, and it's so much easier to use. I hope this helps you out.